Umaga ba? Bakala ko natutulog eh.
Kasi hindi pa natulog.
Mabuhay ka na! Fraternal greetings to everyone again. To our honored guests, distinguished officers of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, our national and regional leaders, our club and Lady Eagles officers, fellow Eagles, families, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Mabuhay ang Águila. Today is an historic and joyous occasion as we formally celebrate the chartering of the Hillberry Noble Eagles Club, HBNEC. A significant milestone in the continuing growth and strength of the Bahrain Noble region. The creation of a new club is more than the chartering of a new club is more than the establishment of structure or leadership. It is the birth of a collective vision, one rooted in brotherhood, service, and commitment to the ideals of the fraternal orders of Eagles. The chartering of HBNEC reflects the dedication, unity, and perseverance of its founding members and leaders. To the new inducted officers of Hillberry Noble Eagles Club, congratulations. You are entrusted with the responsibility of shaping the directions, culture, and legacy of your club. Lead with integrity, humility, transparency, and service. And may your leadership inspire confidence and active participation among your members. To our newly inducted officers of the Bahrain Noble Eagles Club, congratulations and welcome. Your role is vital in strengthening the foundation of the region through service, compassion, and leadership. You are partners in our vision, and your contributions will continue to uplift our organization and the communities we serve. May your leadership be guided by unity, cooperation, and a shared commitment to excellence. To all members and new and old, let this chartering reminds us that strength comes from the number alone, not from the number alone, but from shared purpose and sincere brotherhood. Let us continue to support one another, respect our differences, and work together for the growth and harmony of our region. As we celebrate this milestone, let us reaffirm our commitment to the core values of the Fraternal Order of Eagles: service, unity, integrity, and brotherhood. May the Hillberry Noble Eagles Club stand as a beacon of cooperation, leadership, and service within the Bahrain Noble region. Congratulations po, HBNEC. Please, huwag nating pababayaan si Kuya Pres Dino. Dahil wala po siya, or even wala po kami, kung wala po kayong support, kung hindi po namin kayo makikita. Ika nga, the club is nothing without a members. Yes. Congratulations to HBNEC and Midlet officers. May your journey be filled with purpose, success, and unity. Mabuhay ka kila. Thank you.
Boy!
Maraming salamat, Kuya Gob Emil Samporna. And now I would like to call on our national president,
Uy, din talag saro.
Kuya Arnold Escoto Landayan. Please stand up, everyone, and give a warm welcome to Kuya Arnold Landayan.
Magsiyo po tayo lahat, mga kuya. Sa ating national treasurer,
tayo mga kuya. Na ate ko na.
DOT-elect and our one governor, Kuya Eugene Guerrero. Good evening. Sa ating executive national vice president-elect, Central Business Region, Kuya Mark Davilan and Ate Carlota. Sa ating Bahrain Noble Region, BOT-elect, Kuya Emilio Samporna and Ate Joan Samporna. Sa ating Schengen Europe Region 4, Regional Governor, Kuya Pastora Joselito Gandia and Ate Rebecca. To my wife, Ate Marife Landayan, thank you for the understanding and efforts. Sa ating bagong kuya, member of Heath Bahrain Eagles Club, members, headed by Kuya Dino Lanepa and Ate Evangeline Lanepa. Sa ating regional governor of BNR for Eagle Year 2026, Kuya Ruben Lagidaw. Sa ating Vice President ng HID na nag-assist sa amin from pag-attend at saka pag-assist sa atin, Kuya Noel and Ate Wayne. Sa ating guest na si Mr. Meets, si Guzman and company. Mga kuya, ate, bunso, and friends of Eagles, good evening. Today, we gather to commemorate the momentous occasion as we celebrate the induction of Heath Bahrain Noble Eagles Club under Bahrain region. The significant event takes the place under the leadership of Kuya Emil Samporna. For the Heath members, mga kuya ate, 3 M lang ang aking pwede igawan, ibilin po sa inyo. M stand for malasakit. Malasakit sa mga bagong member natin, sa inyong mga kuya at ate dito. Alam naman natin, alam ko kung paano ang pinagdaanan nyo bilang isang aplikante. Malasakit sa mga darating pang mga panahon dahil kayo ang mga sandigan namin ng ating mga kuya at ate. Pangalawang M, makinig. Makinig sa mga bagay-bagay na dapat natin pag-usapan. Lalong-lalo na sa mga kuya natin, mga naliligaw ng landas. Tulungan niyo ako. Tulungan natin ang organization natin na magsama-sama ho tayo. Sigurado ho ako na itanim sa inyo ng mga sponsoring club natin, lalong-lalo na ang ating regional governor na si Kuya Emil kung paano at ano ang ating mandato bilang isang kuya at ate. Ang magserbisyo sa mga nangangailangan at mangangailangan pa sa ating organization at lipunan. Ang huling ngayon, magdasal. Tulungan niyo ako magdasal sa larangan ng mga pakikibagaan natin, mga problema ng bawat isa. Huwag niyong hayaan lumubog tayo sa mga pride natin. Huwag tayong maging tayo instrumento ng pakikipag-division sa bawat isa sa atin. At tabayanan natin ang kapwa kuya. Akayin natin sa tamang landas. Tama po ang ating ENBP-elect. Noong nagdaang bagyong uwan, kami po ay nasa Camarines, Catanduanes, Verac. Kami po 1,000 families po at 4 barangay ang natulungan ng grupo natin. Sa Cebu po, under the leadership of Kuya Mark, siya po ang pinapunta natin sa Cebu. But 3 strikes po ang ating naitulong. Dahil sa Lindol, after the Lindol, bagyo naman. Kaya nung bagyo, nandun po ang ating ENBP-elect. Hindi lang po yun, bago po ang mga bagyo na yun, tayo sa Camarines naman ang tinulungan natin. Lalong-lalo na sa Quezon City. Pero hindi po yun nagtatapos sa ating mandato sa pagtulong. Kaya po, mga kuya, unti-unti natin ibangon. Unti-unti natin pagsamahan at pagtutulungan kung bakit tayo sumali dito. Sa ating mga kuya at ate na bagong miyembro, hindi po kayo nagkamali na pugad na dinapuan. Kaya sa ating mga kuya, may I request mga bagong member from HID, Barangay Noble Eagles Club, pwede mag-join po tayo lahat. Kami po, mga kuya national officers, please allow me to tayo naman ang magbabaw sa kanila at palakpakan natin. At the count of 3, please bow to the new member of HID, Barangay Noble Eagles Club. 1, 2, and 3. Salamat po at mabuhay na niya!
Thank you for that wonderful message, Kuya Arnold. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Bishop, Bishop Faustino Reyes. Let's give her a warm welcome. And also we would like to call him in front to give also a inspirational message for all the Kuyas.